If your car is your second home, you need to watch this.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. I'm a small business owner, a wife, and a mom. So I live, my vehicle is a bit of an understatement, and I'm a reviewer for Xperia.
The Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus is a really nice cordless handheld vacuum. I use it in the house, I use it in the car, I use it on our outdoor lounge furniture, which gets frequently sit on by our little doggy. It's such a useful tool. I'm in the car almost more than I am in my home, so it really comes in handy when the kids are snacking, dirt and grass being drug in by their shoes. It's a really nice little vacuum. I haven't had it long enough to see how long the battery lasts so far. I've used it for quite a few hours and have not had to recharge it. I feel like it's definitely a must-have appliance for busy people, pet owners, and parents.